Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram black screen. To know how to fix Instagram black screen, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will enter choose apps here, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here like this. And when you will see this page, you will go down to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click cache, and then you will go to clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone. That you can know how to fix Instagram login black screen. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.